What's up, YouTube? Kentucky Night Stalker coming at you once again through the power of the internet. We're back down here again tonight. We are going to see, because it looks like not going to be a storm tonight, see if we can't catch some more fish for you. We'll see you when we get out there.
Just caught this largemouth bass on a Ned rig. Just hopping it on the bottom. Nice, good little catch.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, come on.
Dude, that would have been awesome to have a double. Just caught my second largemouth of the night. Caught it on another Ned rig, just hopping it across the bottom. Nice little good catch again.
There we go. Did you really come off again? Well, after the two I lost, I finally got this little guy here. So, little is better than nothing. Take it all day long.
Third one of the night here. Caught another one on this Ned rig. Pretty good catch again. Good little catch.
It's okay. Here we go. Oh, he's decent. At least he's putting up a decent fight. He's little. All right, so there's my second of the night. Little largemouth, not too shabby. See you later, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh, he took it hard. He wanted it bad. Oh yeah. All right, so there we go. A decent little bass. Here we go. Got you there, buddy. All right, so there's another one for the night. Not too shabby. Not expecting to catch any monsters on this Ned rig, but they are really fun to fish. And they work great like on pressured waters like this right here. You know, it's got tons of people fishing on boats, kayaks, bank fishing. So it's a little more pressured than some places, but it's pretty awesome.
Let's see here.
It's a warmouth.
It is.
Let's see if we can get a good picture
boy.
right here.
He swallowed that, dude.
Hey, can I get him like a little bit? Here, get his mouth down here where I can see it. He ate that sucker.
He did.
All right.
You have any pliers?
Let me see. Pliers. Decent looking little fella.
Number 5 for the night.
Nice. Here you go. Let me throw him back. I got it.
There you go.
Come here, baby. Oh, what'd I get here? What did I get here? Little bitty fella. Ha ha. All right, so little bitty guy hit that Ned rig. Let's get him back. There we go. Come here, baby. There we are. Chill out, buddy. There's another one. Not too shabby. They are a little thin though, but fun to catch. There we go. Come here, baby. There's another one. Like I said, we're not getting no monsters tonight, but these are fun to catch. I would definitely call that a successful night of fishing. Both of us caught a fair amount of fish. You know, when we fish from the bank, I know for a fact in that lake, to really catch the bigger ones, you gotta get on a boat or kayak and get towards the back of the lake where there's nobody bank fishing back there. That's where the bigger fish can be found. But overall, really successful night. Really hope you enjoyed the video. As always, give me a subscribe, hit your little notification bell, leave some comments below. Yeah, leave some comments. Hey, talk to me. Tell me what you want to see in the videos, and I'll make videos for you. That's what these YouTube channels are all about, is, you know, the viewers. So, as always, thanks for watching.